What? Negative. I can't put you in harm's way like that.
What, are you gonna do the whole mission alone?
I can do it.
Because you got a hawthorn right here.
And I appreciate that. Tell you what, I'll let you know if I need you. But until then, let's just try to get back to the armadillo without any more trouble. To the ship!
But Buzz!
Buzz Lightyear mission log. I'm being pursued by just a massive robot. I'm leading it away while the others escape to the ship. How do you know my name?
Come with me.
What?
This is definitely a violation of my parole. Come on, let's get out of here.